Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. So I'm making this video about the yen index. So let's get started. Yen index analysis. This is the yen index monthly chart. I made it on the 10th, which was Saturday, I guess, right? And I was expecting a turn on this yen, right, on a weekly chart that maybe it will make the turn and go to the downside. Sorry, this is actually USD index. Forget about that. All right, so this is the monthly chart I made, and like I said, that I was expecting a turn, and with the turn, yen will get a strong. Turn to the downside, yen will get a strong, and all yen pairs supposed to be going to the downside. But the chances were that it might go to the upside because the trend is strongly to the upside. So this high we're gone, this is gone, 64.78 is gone, and after that, this monthly candle high, 66.08, and we are at that, but it looks like that we are going to take this one out as well. So after that, what's left? See this candle in between here, I forgot to mark, this is actually 66.44, right here inside between these two candles, so that would be the next target, and after that, 66.08 and 67.88. So continue to the upside. Let's see how far we go. And probably this is where we're going to be making a downturn, right? But until then, probably we're going to be continue going to the upside. But watch out these numbers, 66.08 and 66.44. This is 66.44 in between here. Wow. Right there. This is the one. This 66.40, 66.40. Let me just write here. Okay, so 66.44. So these two numbers are very important for now, and once they are taken out, 66. This is not 66.08. This is 66.08. What am I doing here? This is 67.22. Okay, 67.22. Now, so this is what happens. Now, if yen indexes keep going to the upside, what happens is the yen is keep getting weaker, and all yen pairs, all 7 yen pairs, they have yen on the right hand side. So your right hand side currency gets weaker, all pairs will go up, right? So based on that, even though I have time in times that it might turn the downside or might turn to the upside, that's my suggestion or my analysis. But what really happened is that this my system, right, Magic Ivy system, that gives me show me the way. Actually gives me the guidance. For example, this chart here, you can see this is yen index. Now you can see that how powerful it was going to the upside, and every time it will make something like this, that is a long setup, means now yen is about to jump again, and all yen pair will give me long entries from here, from here, from here, similarly, from here, and then today, Monday, September 12th, it started right here, right? So it was as it is above the, these MAs are aligned and they was like bullish. And all of a sudden you see here, it made a big move to the upside, then retraced, and this is where my long setup is. Right after that, I knew that they're gonna fly, all yen pairs, right? So right after that, what happened? You started watching those yen pairs, and as soon as you get the entries, you start taking those entries. So that's what I exactly did, and I end up with these trades. First, you can see is here. This is 12 September 12th, right? September 12th here, and 110 pip euro yen. Beautiful, beautiful entry by the book, right? And this is the one. And then I got an entry on Aussie yen. This was previous last week, but this is the one today. It is only for 65 pip because it didn't move much at the time. And pound yen. Same entry like euro yen. Beautiful by the book entry, right? And 4 conditions that I have to have before I pull the trigger. All 4 of them were met. And I opened the trade here, put the SL right here, which is normally is like around 22, 23 pip. And as soon as I move a little bit, price move a little bit in my direction, 30, 40 pip, I come and sit on a break even, right? And after that, free trade writing. This is 105 pip. So this is the beauty of this system, this setup, that you can literally, even if you think that something is going to go up, but when you're watching the index, if it is going down, you get the right direction in each and every pair. All right. So this is how the system works. If you like what you saw, you want to get it, you want to learn how to do it, then go on my website, creativetradingsystems.com, and subscribe. And if you're in need of learning the whole business from start to finish, sign up for one-on-one and take it from there. All right. So this is just wanted to show you guys, and bye for now, and talk to you guys later soon.